Welcome to Panic Eats, and today we're gonna make ranch, something that we're all familiar with. Kids love it, goes on just about anything, can't go wrong with it, right? And what I discovered in my journey of ranch making is that it was created here in Alaska, which I thought was interesting. And you know, the thing about ranch is that you might have everything you need in your house already. Maybe you don't, maybe you do, and that's okay. So today we're gonna make some ranch. It's gonna be delicious for your pizza crust, your carrots, your potatoes, your French fries, whatever you do with ranch, I'm gonna help you get there, all right? And I got some fresh dill, the freshest dill, from a hydroponic garden here in Alaska, and we're gonna dry that in the oven. If you've never dried herbs in the oven, don't worry. We're gonna preheat our oven to 200 degrees, turn off the heat, and dry our dill for about 20 minutes in the oven. Spread that out so everybody gets a little bit of the action. We've got our oven preheated. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna stick these in there for 20 minutes. Turn the light on, give it a boost. Let's check on that dill. Look at our dill. That's the dill, baby. So we've got some dill. It's dried. We're gonna need about a teaspoon. We need about a teaspoon of dill. I'm gonna chop that up. And set that aside. Once we have that, it's time to make our sauce. Now, the reason I wanted to make this today is because if you've ever ordered from a restaurant, delivery, and let's say the pizza delivery guy shows up and you ordered ranch from the restaurant and it didn't show up. We've all been there. I've done it myself, being the delivery driver. So as a backup, you know, you might have everything to make this at home. If not, it's whatever. It's whatever, you know. So we're gonna take a 1:1 ratio. Now there's a couple different ways to make ranch, and from what I've understood, from my experience working in a restaurant, or a couple of them, is they all do it differently. I've made 5-gallon buckets of ranch with nothing but mayonnaise and buttermilk. But today we're gonna do something a little different. So 1:1 ratio, so like even parts everything. We have about a half a cup of milk. We got about a half a cup of mayonnaise. And we got a half a cup of sour cream. Like I said, some people use buttermilk and mayonnaise. And then take your whisk and whisk that all together. And now my family likes that kind of runny ranch, you know, the stuff that you could almost bathe in it, you know, bathe in the ranch. And this is a good consistency, but without our herbs and spices, it just ain't ranch. So we're gonna take our teaspoon of dill. We're gonna take half a teaspoon of dry parsley. We're gonna take half a teaspoon of dried chives. We're gonna take a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, about a pinch of pepper, or about 1/8 of a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Starting to look like ranch. Smells like ranch. Got some ranch, yo. Looks good. Let's taste it. It kind of tastes like ranch. I mean, it does taste like ranch. I think I got a carrot over here. Peel up that carrot. Take one of our little ramekins. Cut that ranch. I would say that this is a pass. This is another quick and easy video. You know the dill, you know the deal, you know the lowdown on that ranch. I think this would be great for a salad. Click up here to see how you can also add some croutons to your salad adventures. Thanks for watching, and come back next time.